All right, how's it going, guys? Got another video for you. Gonna get started on the exhaust today. So I've got these Sanderson block hugger headers, and they had a big leak in them. So I welded them up. Gonna be good enough. I don't care. They're ceramic coated. I'm gonna have to paint them. So I'm gonna hack the collectors off of these things. And I got a great big box of goodies from Summit Racing here. I hate leaking gaskets on collectors. So I've got 6 V-band clamps that I'm actually going to put on each end of the muffler, the collectors, and should have a leak-free, infinitely serviceable connections throughout the entire exhaust system. Got some really nice hangers, all mandrel ends, Summit Racing Fake Masters. 26 bucks a muffler, how do you go wrong? I picked this one up, it's a Wen, got it off Amazon. It was on sale for like 200 bucks. Made a quick stand and table for it, turned it into a vertical metal cutting saw. Should work pretty good. Okay, got the flange welded onto one header, welded the inside and the out. Want it as leak free as possible, so flange goes on, clamp her on with the V-band, be a leak free seal. It'll be good to go. So we'll repeat that process on the other header and then get started on the exhaust on the passenger side. Okay, this is where the puzzle begins. Just got to take these U-bends, kind of hold them in where I think I need them, cut them up. So I'm going to start with chopping this one down about here, get it into there, and then decide where I got to cut it. So, bandsaw makes some quick work of it. Okay, it's fitted in there. I want to come out to about 90. So maybe a little bit past. I think I might. So I've got this mark where I need to check and cut. Make my cuts and get the puzzle started. Front section of the exhaust is all tacked together back to where the muffler is going to be. So lots of room around the starter, shouldn't have a heat problem. Just have it tacked. Going to get it all tacked together before I fully weld anything. Really struggled with this exhaust hanger. The hole needs to be drilled to 3/8 of an inch, and the transmission's in the way of being able to drill the hole. So there wasn't room from the other side. Improvise, adapt, overcome. 90-degree die grinder. 1/4 inch drill bit. Managed to get it drilled out to 1/4 inch, had to go up to 3/8. So, take a step bit, grind it down round so that it fits in the die grinder. Actually worked out pretty good. So, these exhaust hangers are super, super rigid. There's basically no flex in them. I think that I'm gonna order up some 4-inch long flex couplers, and I'll have room to be able to put the flex couplers in here. So, they'll be a little while to get here. I'll get the whole exhaust system built. We can always cut that straight section of pipe out later and add them in. So, get the V-band welded onto the muffler and carry on. Okay, you got the exhaust all the way back through the muffler. Nice room all the way around the muffler. Shouldn't have any vibration problems. V-bands on both ends. Got the hanger here. It's super, super solid. I like it. So, from there back, get the cab slid ahead so I can get some more access. But the exhaust is actually going to come here and come underneath the differential, under the leaf spring, and then it'll come up and over beside the frame rail into some tips. Okay, I got the driver's side built. Back to the same point. Tried to mirror it to the other side. This side ended up a little simpler because it doesn't have to go around the starter. But lots of clearance around the oil filter. There'll be lots of room for that line for the clutch. Hangers are the same. Tried to mount the mufflers in the exact same location side to side. It's pretty close. I'm pretty happy with it. Hangers are the same. And the pipes are to the same location side to side. The plan for the tips is, like I said, the tailpipes are going to run underneath the diff and then come back up along the side of the frame. They're going to run somewhere in around here. The bottom of the box will run in line with this body line in the cab through the doors and the cowl. So that if you look at the box, it also has that same body line. So that same body line will follow all the way through, all the way to the back. So I'm just going to run a straight edge across the bottom of the cab, through the frame, and kind of line these up, kind of like that, with where the bottom of the box will be. So we'll cut the goofy little clamp flanges off of these tips. They're nice stainless tips, they shouldn't rust. We'll get that kind of situated and figured all out. And more exciting news, my grill showed up. So I actually managed to find a 34 commercial grill that is the same color, same patina, and it looks great. Could not be happier with it. So that's a big win. I was really struggling trying to find something. Can't wait to get this thing mounted up. Okay, the tailpipe is built. Underneath the diff, has some nice clearance underneath. Need enough room for the suspension to be able to extend. Room for the hanger. I don't have the tip welded on. I got to make a little bracket here off the frame to hold the last exhaust hanger. The tips are just sitting here for now. There's a lot of movement in it, so that'll actually work out. I can put the tips on after I put the box on. Okay, the exhaust is mirrored side to side. Same thing, both sides. Tips come out beside the frame rail. Made up a couple of quick exhaust hangers, brackets on the bandsaw. Got them tacked on. Still have to weld the tips on. I'll probably wait until the box and everything's mounted. Might even wait until the entire thing is kind of assembled so the tips don't get all scratched up. So now it's just to blow it all apart and fully weld everything. So I'm a little worried about this piece up front here potentially not being able to be removed because of clearance problems. So it's got to kind of snake through a few things. So hopefully it'll work out in one piece. So I'll set the camera up and we'll check to see if that fits, I guess. It is exactly what I suspected. The V-band flange on the end actually gets caught up trying to go through the hole because the pipe hits the transmission. So I'm going to try to, I think, remove everything else and try and slide it out the other way. If this doesn't work out, I'm going to have to get another V-band and put a joint in here somewhere. So we'll see how that goes, I guess. Might have to cut it apart. Driver's side one came out perfectly fine in one piece. Super easy, actually. And it turns out, if you hold your tongue just right, kind of cross your toes and get everything in just the perfect spot, it will actually squeeze out of there. And there we have it, a complete exhaust system for a 34 Ford pickup. Still got to trim it to length when I put the tips on, but it's all done. So, like always, if you like the content, want to see some more of this 34 pickup, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Have a good one, guys.